Okay, the next step is we need to run our server-side application. I'm going to run this application from a console because I do not know how to run two concurrent applications within Eclipse. I'm on Mac, so I'm going to use Terminal. If you are on Windows, you need to use MS-DOS. Okay, let's run this application. First, I need to open the terminal. Okay, so this is my terminal here. Let's make it bigger. I need to change to the directory where TCP date server app located. So yes, I need to go to workspace DAD. Okay, and then I need to go to TCP date server. And Eclipse will create two directories, which is bin and src. Since Eclipse has compiled all the file for us, so the dot class will be in bin. So we are going to run our application, which is Java server date, because it is in a package, so I have to specify that server date. Oh, I have to go to the bin. Java server date application. Okay, so it is run. So this means we are good. So the screen has appeared, we are good. Let's minimize our screen here and proceed with the client-side application.